In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity step by step, so even if you've never done it before, you'll be able to follow along easily. Audacity is a powerful free audio editor, and once it's installed, you can start recording, editing, and cleaning up audio in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or whatever browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, click the address bar at the top and type audacityteam.org, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the official Audacity website, which is always the safest place to download the software from. When the page loads, look for the download button on the main page and click it. After that, Audacity will ask you to choose your operating system. Select the one that matches your computer, whether that is Windows, macOS, or Linux. This is important because each version is designed for a different system. Once you select your operating system, the download should begin automatically or take you to the correct download page. After the file finishes downloading, open it from your downloads folder. In most cases, your browser will also show the downloaded file at the bottom or in the downloads menu, so you can click it right away. When the installer opens, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. The first thing you may see is a language selection screen, so choose your preferred language and continue. Then click next through the license agreement and information screens. These screens are mostly just confirming the installation details, so you can keep moving forward. Next, you may be asked to choose an installation folder. If you're not sure where to put it, it's perfectly fine to leave the default location selected. That is usually the easiest option for most users. After that, click install and let the setup process complete. Depending on your computer, this may take a minute or two, so just wait while Audacity installs. Once the installation is finished, click finish to close the installer and launch the software. At this point, Audacity should open on your screen and be ready to use. From here, you can start creating audio projects, recording your voice, or editing sound files right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Audacity on your computer. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.